Gentlemen, let's be honest, your health, your strength, and your vitality are the foundation of your confidence. As the years pass, many men begin to accept fatigue, reduced stamina, and weaker performance as normal. But today, I'm here to challenge that mindset. Because your age should never define your power. Your choices do. And sometimes, the simplest ingredients hidden in your kitchen can unlock extraordinary transformations. Main body. Baking soda. Yes, that humble white powder sitting quietly on your shelf holds surprising potential when used correctly. Beyond cleaning and cooking, it can play a role in supporting blood flow, optimizing internal balance, and helping your body perform at its peak. As men age, one of the most significant factors behind performance decline is poor circulation and increased acidity in the body. An acidic environment can lead to inflammation, sluggish blood flow, and reduced oxygen delivery, exactly the conditions that make it difficult to achieve firm, long-lasting erections. Here's where baking soda steps in. When taken in a safe and controlled manner, it can help neutralize acidity, creating a more alkaline environment. This improved balance supports better vascular function, allowing your arteries to relax and blood to flow more freely. Stronger circulation means more energy, more vitality, and more confidence where it matters most. But there's a right way to do it. Simply gulping baking soda isn't the key. It's about consistency, moderation, and timing. A small amount mixed properly with water, taken at the right time of day, can help your body reset its internal pH levels and boost nitric oxide production, both of which are essential for firm performance. As men grow older, many begin to silently accept physical decline as a natural part of life. They wake up feeling less energized, experience slower recovery, and notice changes in their intimate performance. These shifts can quietly erode confidence, making them feel as if their best years are behind them. But the truth is, your body is far more resilient than you might believe. With the right mindset and strategic actions, you can reclaim control over how you feel, function, and perform. The key is to stop surrendering your power to age and start making deliberate, informed choices that support your body from the inside out. Reclaiming control begins with understanding what's happening within. Over time, the body undergoes subtle internal changes that affect circulation, hormone balance, and cellular energy. Blood vessels lose elasticity, blood flow becomes less efficient, and the accumulation of acidity within the body can lead to inflammation and sluggish performance. Many men overlook these factors, assuming the issue is external or inevitable, but in reality, the internal environment is what determines strength and vitality. When your blood flows freely, when your arteries are relaxed, and when your cells are nourished with oxygen, everything from physical stamina to intimate performance improves naturally. One of the simplest yet often underestimated tools in supporting this internal environment is baking soda. This humble compound, known for its ability to neutralize acids in cooking and cleaning, can also play a physiological role when used with care. The modern diet, filled with processed foods, refined sugars, and high levels of hidden acids, pushes the body into an overly acidic state. This acidic load can strain the cardiovascular system and create conditions that hinder strong, healthy blood flow. By introducing a controlled amount of baking soda mixed with water, you help your body neutralize this excess acidity, promoting a more alkaline environment. Why is this so powerful? Because blood flow is everything. Healthy blood flow delivers oxygen and nutrients to every cell, muscle, and organ, including those responsible for intimate performance. When circulation improves, energy levels rise, stamina increases, and confidence grows. Many men search endlessly for quick fixes, pills, or external solutions, but often, the true transformation begins by restoring balance within. Baking soda supports this process naturally, without invasive interventions, by helping your body reset its internal pH and supporting vascular relaxation. This act of taking control is not just about consuming a substance, it's about shifting your mindset. It's about saying, I'm not going to let age dictate how I feel. I'm going to take charge. It's the difference between passively waiting for change and actively creating it. It's realizing that the choices you make daily, what you consume, how you move, and how you care for your internal systems determine the quality of your life far more than the number of candles on your birthday cake. When you commit to understanding and supporting your body's natural processes, you stop being a passenger and become the driver. You're no longer at the mercy of time. Instead, you're shaping how your body responds to it. By harnessing simple, natural strategies like balancing acidity, improving blood flow, and creating a healthier internal environment, you build a foundation for lasting vitality. This isn't about temporary boosts or superficial changes. It's about reclaiming the strength, energy, and confidence that should still belong to you at any age. Many people begin their health journey with excitement, expecting instant results from a single change, but true transformation is never built on a moment of inspiration alone. It's built through steady, consistent habits that accumulate power over time. The body responds best to rhythm, not randomness. Just like a strong structure needs a solid foundation, your health thrives when supported by small, intentional actions repeated daily. Consistency is the bridge between wanting change and actually living it. Without it, even the best strategies fall short. With it, even the simplest steps can reshape your energy, vitality, and confidence. When men cross a certain age, their bodies require a different kind of care, one that respects time and works with the body's natural processes. A single healthy action done once is like a spark, but when repeated regularly, that spark becomes a steady flame. For example, introducing baking soda in a controlled way to support internal balance is a powerful step, but its true potential is realized when it becomes part of a daily or routine practice. The body thrives on patterns, circulation improves with regular support, pH levels stabilize with consistency, and energy builds like layers stacking over time. Each day you commit to these habits, your system learns, adapts, and strengthens. The problem is that many people give up too early. They try something for a few days, don't see dramatic changes, and decide it doesn't work. What they miss is that the body doesn't transform overnight, it adjusts gradually, layer by layer. Just as you wouldn't expect to build muscle after one workout or learn a skill after one lesson, you can't expect your body to unlock peak performance from a single action. The key lies in showing up daily, even when the results aren't immediate. Each repetition signals to your body that this new way of functioning is the new normal. Over time, the internal systems respond by becoming stronger, more efficient, and more resilient. This applies to every aspect of health: hydration, movement, nutrition, and mental focus. Consistency in hydration keeps the blood flowing smoothly. Regular movement keeps the cardiovascular system strong and responsive. Balanced nutrition nourishes cells continuously, not sporadically. Mental focus reinforces discipline and keeps you connected to your goals. Each habit may seem small on its own, but when they align and repeat day after day, the cumulative effect is profound. It's this compounding power that separates short-term effort from lasting transformation. What makes consistency so powerful is that it doesn't rely on motivation alone. Motivation can fluctuate depending on how you feel each day, but consistent habits operate like a system. They function whether you're inspired or tired, whether it's a good day or a stressful one. Once these actions become part of your routine, they require less mental effort and produce greater returns. It's about training your body and mind to follow through even when the excitement fades. That is where real progress lives, not in grand gestures, but in the quiet repetition of small, purposeful steps. Each day you maintain a consistent health habit, you're strengthening your internal systems. You're improving circulation, supporting hormonal balance, and reinforcing energy pathways. You're telling your body that vitality is not a temporary event but a permanent state you're committed to maintaining. And as these actions become second nature, the benefits begin to show not just physically, but mentally and emotionally. Confidence grows because you know you're in control, not waiting for luck or quick fixes.